How to fix Discord stream paused problem. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Discord stream paused problem. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Discord with your account. Alright, so after you open the Discord, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on user setting just at the bottom left corner of your screen. So simply tap on this gear icon. Alright, so now from the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like voice and video. So simply click on this voice and video option. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to again scroll down at the bottom and go with the options like hardware acceleration. So it will appear at the last. So simply while you are doing live on Discord stream, so you have to turn off this feature from here, and after you turn off this feature from here while you are streaming on Discord, you will be able to fix this problem. So you have to make this feature turn off while you are streaming. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.